Holy moly. What is going on, people? Good morning, Garden Gnome. Oh, is that a coin? Oh my, that's not even a good morning, man. Sorry I'm late. I literally have to wipe the tears off my eyes just looking at my portfolio, thinking Tesla would not come down under 600. We hit 578 futures. I had a feeling, man. Futures gave me that sign. I said Tesla would probably close at 620, guys. I said that was a possibility. And guess what the after hours low yesterday exactly was? Literally 620 was the low. Right around here. Flat 620. It's like it's meant to be. And I saw futures come down. I'm like I was talking to some other guy who has Tesla shares and I'm like, "Yeah, bro, it's not going to be good pre-market. I can guarantee almost 100%." And yeah, it's we're down. VIX is like going to the moon. It's back above 22. That is nasty. That is nasty. Everything's falling. GameStop is down too. 136 low pre-markets. Oh gosh. Oh, morning, Tom. Take a look at Neo. Let's see. Let's pull up some crypto really quick. Elon Musk is accepting Dogecoin, by the way. He tweeted out. Is it on here? No. Let me pull it up really quick. Let's pull up Twitter. See what's trending on Twitter. What kind of FUD we have there? We have Tesla 600 or below is where we like it for long-term investors. What's going on, Habib? Scoogs? Are you holding those Tesla? Yeah, I might even double down. I'm down. Oh, it's not Tesla, it's Neo. Oh, it's coming back up. I'm down like 15 something. So we're bleeding this morning. Let's see. Let's take a look at Elon's Twitter. What's going on, Yap? UVXY isn't the same. No, I know I don't really pull. I don't pull up UVXY. Is an ETF that has ultra shorts of futures. This is like an SQ, SQQQ, and the TQs, right? If I'm not mistaken. Usually I just peep at the VIX. So the VIX, look at this gap up. Holy smokes. This is not what we need, man. We need a rebound ASAP. That 4 hour on Tesla is looking juicy, man. Horrendous. There we go. Elon Musk tweeted, "Do you want Tesla to accept Doge?" Yes. 76% voted yes. 2.3 million people voted. That's nuts. Look at all the scammers in the replies. Doge father, is that a real coin? Let me log into my Bitmart really quick. It always asks for a confirmation code. It's like it doesn't know who I am. 382 015. Put on my glasses really quick. Last night, Bitcoin, I believe, or yesterday after market close, I think Bitcoin ended up like a 53 something, guys, right? 53K. Let's pull up the EMA really quick. 13. It was right around here. That little flash crash. No, that wasn't there. I'm sorry. This is the 4 hour. It was down on here. 50, around 53K. So we'll see what happens today. But this drop here does not help Tesla Square. I believe Palantir had earnings pre-market today. And I think Palantir now has Bitcoin. Palantir is in Bitcoin too. Let's take a look at Doge. Same price as yesterday, right around 48. Let's see. Ethereum under 4K, 39. It's the first time we're looking at a little topper here on the 4 hour. So if it does pull on back, like I said, maybe 33, 3400 is where I'm looking for. Shiba is down 17. Yeah, Shiba was going nuts yesterday after the market closed. There's a lot of talk about Shiba. Safe Moon. So far pretty much red here on all these cryptos except for Safe Moon. It's the only green thing here. No, yeah. Anger, you got in a really good price on Chiba. We got 5 minutes before the market opens. Let's see what this day holds, man. It could either be another bloodbath and full-on panic, or this can be the buy the dip. No, we're getting clapped this morning. Big poop on a stick. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. Shiba Coin is trending on Twitter. The Bible is trending. Leonardo DiCaprio. I guess it's like a new film, I guess. SpaceX accepts Dogecoin as a payment. That was already brought out last week or over the weekend. Shanghai, thanks Biden. That's the things that are trending on Twitter. Yeah, I think we're going down, man. I think we're going down. As much as I don't want to see the blood, I think it's time. Here we come, 4K. Spy's coming down. Our price target is literally here, 400. We are at 412 pre-market. Right around 413. Palantir, yeah, right. They did add Bitcoin. This one's also pulling back pre-market, sold off, and now it's kind of bouncing here. This is probably that major pullback. I don't know. See, that's the thing. It can continue to sell off. We can continue to dump, or we bounce. Oh, you pull a Palantir and AMC comes up. That's interesting. What's up with AMC stock? What is up? What's AMC at? See, they know what's up. It moved past the $10 psychological mark. $10. I'd say 9 is really good support. Company says accepts Bitcoin and payments for customers. I need to look more into this. I'm not a huge Palantir bull, by the way. Oh yeah, I think AMC did run yesterday after hours. I do not know why. I do not know why. But we were talking about the $10 mark is where that huge fight has been going on. And on the 4 hour that translates to pretty much sideways movement. So we were talking about. Yeah, I'm not interested. It's in the 992. GameStop. XPeng has the earnings this week. I think Thursday after hours. Yep. No, actually Thursday pre-market. I'm sorry, pre-market. Sundial's another one that has earnings. I don't know, horse running. I'm not the biggest Palantir bull. And the freaking cyber attack we had yesterday. That doesn't help us at all. It doesn't enlighten the current sentiment. It just adds more to the FUD. Let's see. Yeah, the VIX is moving up. The VIX is creeping up, baby. I feel like everything ARC touches and other hedges are working together to destroy. Um, the ARC is live today, by the way. ARC has under 100. ARK has a meeting, guys, a webinar today. Yesterday I took a look at their purchases. They guess what? They bought more Coinbase. No surprise, nothing to do with Tesla. No Tesla movement just yet, but they did buy more Coinbase. But it's not looking hot, man. ARK is literally on fire right now. Tesla knocking on 600. Let's F and go, baby. Give me back my tendies, man. Oh, let's take a look at CCXI. Oof, 1068. This is probably like the worst dead cat. Oh, market just opened. Oh, I don't like this. Look at this. Nasdaq is immediately just going south. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. This is the panic sellers, the people who weren't able to buy and sell pre-market. Let's see. Good morning, Dior. Let's wait. Bring in the dip buyers, baby. Let's take a look at other stocks really quick. Facebook, Microsoft, Netflix under 500 for sure. 480s. Neo is shooting. It's funny because Tesla's not shooting. Usually they follow each other. Oh, here's the news. Palantir accepts Bitcoin as payment. It may invest in it too. That's the news. There we go, above 600. Give me back my money, baby. But usually we have these fake outs like this, man. We'll see a spike like this, and then we'll get knocked back down. But as of now, we are starting off to a great start. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. We need to at least get back to 620 on this morning push right here. 620 is back to yesterday's close. So you can look at Doge. Doge is still around 48. Not moving that much. Bitcoin's pulling back. 55. It's under 55 actually. There's like this quadruple bottom on Bitcoin on the 5 minute at 54,500. So it's kind of, it has support around there. Take a look. Right around here. So last time is when we got clapped as well. Was the 539 when we hit the low 539, and then we had that bounce all the way up to 713. So this time we're bouncing right around 578 pre-market lows. The EMA on the 4 hour is interestingly 633, which is literally right when we're in at 634. So this might be one of those break-even plays if we hit 630s. It might be a long shot, but let's wait and see. There we go, C3D locking in those gains already. What's going on? Good morning, Jennifer. So hopefully it's not one of those mornings where it just gets knocked back down after this spike here. AMC's moving. Let's see. Yeah, gapped up and move higher. It's kind of struggling at 10. GameStop 140s needs to hop back above 150s, baby. How are the airlines? Pretty sure they're taking another hit today. The pipeline news is not great news for these airlines. Bitcoin testing 55 again. Oh yeah, Roblox had earnings. I think they increased their user base, no? There's a bunch of errors on here. Look, it's correcting, replacing. Daily active users up 79% over the year over year. I guess we're gonna start playing some Roblox now. How's Coinbase doing this morning after this ridiculous run yesterday? Down pre-market, of course. The overall stocks. Oof. That's not Tesla. Ah, damn. See, here we come down, man. I had a feeling this was just a little sympathy pop. Come on, bounce, bounce off this EMA. This is the key, guys. The blue line. Let's not come under the blue line. There we go. There we go. Nail bottle fall under 30. That's where we were looking for on the entry. Low 30s. It hit 30, 50 pre-market. But at this point, it's like I want to double down on my Tesla position. If we come to like something crazy like 550 today. I mean, think about it. Tesla is at 600 right now. If I told you on Friday, yo, Tesla's gonna fall to 600 on Tuesday, you'd think I'm crazy. Ralph, what's your opinion on this as a trader? Every earnings I see that absolutely crushes earnings goes down. I said this like ever since I started streaming. Earnings is a freaking gamble. Earnings is a 50-50. You can have a company report amazing earnings and the stock goes south. You can have a company crap itself on earnings and the stock would go up. It's too hard to predict, man. That's why I think every earnings is just coming down. Look up with GameStop, look up with Tesla. It happens all the time. That's just why I don't like swinging through earnings. It's not for me, you know. I'd rather go to Vegas. Yeah, that heat map is lit. The wrong way. What's going on, William? We need that hope today, man. Yeah, Tesla had amazing earnings and then dumped. AMC over 10. Yeah, $10 is probably where it's gonna close above today. That 10 fight. Oh my gosh, Nasdaq, you love to see those green candles. Come on, Tesla. We're seeing a slight rebound. The last thing we want to see is it to go south. Let's take like a spy really quick. 412. How's the Dow? Oof. Yesterday we had a new all-time 35, and now we're at 34.40. Good morning, Benji. Yeah, Amazon, guys, Amazon had historic earnings, record-breaking. Apple, double-digit growth in every category. Take a look at this. We hit 3,667 after hours, and look at it now. Even just that day alone, it opened back up, or it closed at the same level, same price. It had closed on Thursday before earnings. This is the day Jim Cramer was crying on CNBC. He's like, why is Amazon dropping? Oh, this is not looking good, guys. This is not looking good. No bueno. Oh, man. I feel like we should start day trading at this point. Make back some of those tendies. Company announced it's gonna halt its plan to extend its Giga Shanghai production over U.S. China tensions. Yeah, that was already kind of looming. Alrighty. I don't like this. There's weakness here while Nasdaq is pushing. I should start out. No, I wouldn't short Tesla. Let's see. Palantir. Oh my gosh. Look at this rally on Palantir. That's crazy. 1882. That high. I think all of it has to do with Bitcoin as well. Let's see. I need to look into that 10K. No, I'm sorry. The what is it? The 10Q. 10K is the annual. Yeah, but the overall market was holding it down too pre-market. The daily is look at the daily, man. It fell off a cliff. So a potential bounce to like $20, 21 is probably reasonable this week. I need to look way more into this company. I don't really know much about it. It's probably one of the most confusing companies, by the way, Palantir. What do they do? Like data? They organize data for clients or something like that. It's really crazy. There we go, Tesla. Rip up, man. Nasdaq is pushing. We're seeing a rebound in stocks right now. How's our Twitter? Not bad, not bad. This one was under 50 pre-market. Wow. PLTR is a huge Wall Street best play. That makes me not want to trade anymore, man. What happened to NVIS? This one died out so bad. Sundial has earnings. GameStop is pushing too. Yeah, we're seeing a slight rebound here. I like it. What we need this morning is 620s, man. We need to go back to 620s for Tesla. There we go. Another leg up, Tesla. Come on, baby. You're oversold, baby. E-Trade app isn't working again? E-Trade's been down twice, right, in the last week or so? No, I haven't touched Sundial ever since I sold at 4. Ever since it got on Wall Street Bets, I'm like, nope. Viacom, this one's like, it's not doing what we want, man. We've been talking about the stock since late March, early April. It's been a month, and the stock has done nothing. Killer earnings, amazing earnings, and it's not proved itself to me. Like we said, guys, earnings is one thing. The chart is the story. The chart is what speaks to me, and it's not talking to me right now. It's not. Discovery is another one of those. Look at this. We're not looking too solid. This is not bullish. You guys see this? My they're at 35 lower highs, descending triangle. This cracks 35. It's coming to like 30. Nasdaq continues to rip. Let's effing go, baby. Let's go. Damn, people are buying the dip. This happened last time. We didn't necessarily get a pullback. It immediately started bouncing back, and this is what we're seeing today again. Alibaba is dropping. I think this is an old alert. They have earnings too. Yeah, it's shooting up. Damn, 212. We had I wanted sub 200 for this one. Jack Ma was seeing one of these facilities. SOS is at or below. Probably another alert. A lot of these stocks are rebounding aggressively right now. SOS. The website won't load. I think it's just the crappy software, man. I don't know what to say. I'm pretty sure Robinhood's not down right now. I don't know what to say. Oh man, what a market open. The last thing we need is last thing we need is a bull trap, man. That's the last thing we want. This market pop to be a bull trap. Let's see, let's see. Doge is at 49, still kind of trading right around 50 cents. It seems to be holding 50, which is not bad. That first time we hit 48, we pulled back to like what, 20 cents? Now we hit like 70 something cents, and now it's back to 50, so not bad. Safe Moon is still the only green thing here. Ethereum 39.33, holding right around 38, so that seems to be the level of support. Randall says his E-Trade is working fine. Lex. Okay, there we go. Google says by the end of the year, expect U.S. Google Pay users will be able to send money to people in more than 200 countries, territories through Western Union. Google Pay. I don't know how I feel about Google Pay. Or Western Union. Wow, Paris Hilton has the laser eyes on Twitter as well, pushing Bitcoin with Tom Brady. Holy moly. Oh man. All right, we're seeing slight pullbacks here now after the market open rally. Here comes the test, baby. This is the real test. Are we going to bounce entire, or is this the bull trap? We need to hold this blue line, man. EMA all the way. There we go. You guys remember how we had this double bottom here? Right here at 13.4? We cracked that, man. Nearly tapped 13. GameStop back under 139, AMC back under 10. Yeah, this is the pullback zone. What the hell? Yeah, this is volatile. So it shot up to 1050. A lot of stocks shot up at right here a couple minutes ago. Did it really drop to 960s in that one candle? That's crazy. What's the volume like on AMC? I'm kind of liking AMC right now. I like that volume. That's exactly what we need. We need some momentum, baby. We need people buying the stock. Who cares if they day trade it, trading it, the volatility? Yeah, that's perfect. I just can't believe it fell to 960 like this, just like right away. The double threat candle right there, the double punch, 1020 960s. That is nuts. Even GameStop, look at this. 141 back down to 136, all the way back up to 142, back down to 137. It's not really going anywhere, but that volatility on these candles is nuts. It's like bouncing around. It hasn't really chosen a direction. I think if Tesla closes above 600 today, it's a win. This thing fell off a cliff. What time is that Kathy Wood ARC meeting? I knew you were about to say that. You know me well, man. You know me well. 11 million volume. There we go. ARK Invest monthly webinar. Or did it already happen? Why is it saying 28 days? What? I guess I got baited. That AMC bounce. Yeah, that was an epic bounce, man. This is so epic. I like it a lot. I really like it. What I'm not liking is this right now. Futures, they seem to be hinting another pullback. It's kind of flirting with that EMA, man. I'm telling you, this is one of the crucial moments. Let's have another bounce. Come on, man. Roblox is hunting 70s. Let me check. Right around 70s. Let's see what Coinbase is hunting. 290s. Good for Coinbase. Coinbase has taken a beating. It has earnings. This is that earnings hype, that earnings pump. Neo's bouncing. I like that. What's going on, Bill? What's going on, Isaac? I'm getting ready to do an Indian stock dance. I've never heard of that. An Indian stock dance? Dude, I'm really like shook right now. What does it say? The webinar starts in 28 days. Nope, there we go. May 11, 1:30. Let me sign up for this really quick, guys. Let me see. Let me put my email really quick. I'm already signed up to them. I think I should have received it, right? If you are not signed up to ARK's daily plays, go to ARK Invest and sign up, guys. It's free. You get a copy of their plays, their buys and sells on that day. That's where you know if they bought Coinbase, they sold Tesla, they bought Roblox, T-Doc, all of their positions, skills. So completely free too. There we go. We're so close to 620. Our prediction so far is right. 620s. This is spooky here. These tests at EMA are spooky. 620s is where we closed yesterday after hours. These profit and loss statements are so off, guys, on Tesla. I don't know why this happens. I woke up this morning, I checked my phone, it says I was down 4 grand on Tesla, which doesn't make any sense. I only have 30 shares. But this is so off. Like, um, I should be down, say at 618. I should be down this. But then again, I had like a 150 profit yesterday, day trading Tesla. You gotta account for that. There we go, 619. It's so close. I used Dogecoin to buy a Model Y. Elon wants to know if Tesla should accept the crypto. Elon Musk is not effing around, man. SpaceX, now Tesla, oof. And Dogecoin is not really reacting, man. It's not. I didn't see a pop in that with that tweet that came out like an hour, 2 hours ago. Doge is still at 49. So I think 50s might be that support level. 620 on Tesla. Let's go, baby. You better grab whatever nuggies you can, bro. No, if Tesla fell to like 550s today, I was gonna buy like 30 more shares of Tesla. I would have probably had like 70 shares of Tesla headed into. Actually, I don't know, because tomorrow, guys, we have the hot number coming out. That CPI, man. That CPI. If it comes in at 3.6, maybe above 4, oh my gosh, I think there's gonna be a backlash in the markets. Oh, I don't know if that's priced in already with today. I don't know, but it's a little risky. That comes out pre-market, by the way. 8:30 Eastern, bright and early here in LA, 5:30 a.m. So bright and early, you have that number out for you guys. That CPI, man, inflation, it's real. I gotta give it to Tesla. That's 621 pop. Now we can afford a pullback. 605, 610. Healthy pullback. Better runs back up to 180 in the next week or so. GameStop, right? Yeah, we're back up here. 141. How's AMC doing? Above 1020s. And anything above 10, I think, for AMC is a dub. Is a dub. UV, the VIX pulling back too. It's pretty high still, 20 above 20. Those calls, man, for next month at 25. You guys remember we're talking about them? When they hit a low of 15, the calls were nuts. Those guys printed some pretty good tendies. There we go. Pullback time. Let's see. Let me sign up for the webinar. There we go. We're signed up. So I'll have a video tomorrow. So I guess we'll live stream. We could live stream the webinar. 1:30 is that Pacific? Oh, that's Eastern. Actually, I don't know. We'll be able to stream that. I thought that was Pacific. So that's 10:30 here. For real, the VIX players got paid yesterday. Yeah. Rage Quit Gaming, Ralph, no long time no see. What the F is happening right now? Inflation fears, man. Inflation worries. We had the Colonial Pipeline yesterday, which did not add to the overall sentiment. Stocks looking a little. I mean, the Nasdaq SPY had literally just came off new highs, so it makes sense to lock in some of those profits. We have the new tax being passed with Biden. There we go, Tesla. Keep on pushing, baby. I think that's what's going on, man. Let's move this to the right here really quick. It keeps on rallying. Look at the bounces here at the EMA. Pulls back, bounce, pulls back, bounce. Smaller pullback here at 617, a bounce to 623. You think it'll pass? Most likely, yes. At that percentage, the double percentage, probably not. I think Biden said he's willing to negotiate. Who knows? I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to speculate on that. It's so far out. But that's exactly why you're seeing some of these big boys sell, man. Look at Bezos. Bezos has been dumping and selling Amazon. You guys said he bought a yacht or something like that, right? I don't know where you guys saw that. I did not see that, but they're locking in some of those gains. Palantir confirmed they accept Bitcoin as payment in their earnings call this morning. They also said they are considering adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Bitcoin is inevitable. There you go. Here we go with the ARK in turmoil. They're clowning Kathy. They're clowning ARK. Gary Black just tweeted Diamond Hands. At 580, Tesla was a gift. At 614, it's still a gift. Diamond Hands. I think he has some Tesla. He never really discloses his position, but I think he's in Tesla. Yeah, 580s. Wow, I didn't think I would have seen that, guys. 578 pre-market for Tesla. That's quite nuts. Look at that 1 hour bounce. And Nasdaq continues to inch on higher. Let's go, baby. Look at this heat map. We're getting that green in there with some of the banks. How are the banks pushing up? America, Fargo, airlines bouncing. Let's at least go green. LUV. Alibaba, Apple, Facebook. Oh my gosh, Neo. That beautiful rally following Tesla. Tesla 625. Come on. I can't believe it. We're almost break even. I can't believe this, man. Tesla always does this. It always finds itself and it starts to bounce. I love that. But again, we didn't time this pretty well, man. This channel should be renamed Tesla Loop. GameStop needs to hit 500K so I can break even. Yeah, it's not. It's never gonna hit 500K. This whole AMC 100K is just nonsense. Fairy dust. It does not exist. I want the drugs you're taking if you think AMC's gonna hit 100K. His yacht is so big. It needs, it needs another backup. AMC pinned at 1016. Yeah, like I said, if AMC closes above 10, I think it's a win. Tesla's where the action's at, man. I'm bullish AF on Viacom. I am too. For the fundamentals on this are beautiful on Viacom. Usually it's backwards, man. Usually the technicals would be really hot and the fundamentals would be not the best, but it's really flipped on Viacom. Fundamentals are A1, technicals are literally poo poo on a stick. This is not looking too strong, man. GameStop one pushing. I know we need to make back some of our GameStop loss. I think we overall. I think on the year we're up a couple of thousand on GameStop, but on this specific position, we're kind of getting clapped. And this is me selling some at 170, 169. This is me trimming positions just because I had a feeling that the overall market was going to drop and these meme stocks were going to take a hit. So GameStop did do that. It did pull back. I sold on, even when I sold, it shot up still. I didn't sell on the Roaring Kitty hype. This was the Roaring Kitty rally. Right around here. This one was the rally that Monday. Right here. I sold on one of these spikes here, 169. And then I was right the first couple days, and then it shot up, and now it's back down. Uh, Look at that. Look at that momentum. I really, I don't know what other catalysts there are for GameStop other than June, the annual meeting. That's what I'm looking forward to, and I think the stock is waiting for that as well. That's why we've been kind of slacking on that volume slightly. Good luck to the rest of y'all. Should really stop putting a grand down to make $30. I can't stop playing GameStop though. It's a sickness. If you're able to day trade GameStop successfully, it's a win, man. It's a win. I was day trading GameStop when it was at $90 back right around one of the like January, and it was nuts. If you guys remember the volume back in January, oh my gosh. The dips were bought like this. It was nuts. I loved it. I'm like, damn, is it really like this? And it was. It was better than Tesla at the time. Way better than Tesla. I was so shook. And that's why I'm still green on GameStop for on the year to date. Because of that time, that little time period. I day trade like $20 to $60 consistently, but money on the line is ridiculous. It's the worst play ever, but they add up. Exactly. The last part is true. Your gains add up. Like I remember scalping Tesla every single day. It'll be like $40 here, $60 on every trade. It's small, but if you're able to make that 10 times, you're looking at 400 or 500, $600 a day. Go back, watch my December, January videos. Oh, I had the best month. I went 30 days without losing a day trade or having a red day on Tesla, just Tesla alone. You'll see GameStop in there as well. Mid-January videos, you'll see the recap on GameStop. And now it's very different to day trade. This is very good. I think it's very difficult now. It's not the same day trading Tesla when it was rallying towards 900s December and January to now pulling back, and now we have more concerns on inflation and whatnot. So very different. But learning to adapt is always the best thing. I'm holding my GameStop, still sitting on my 30 shares. I had exactly 30 shares too. I sell one at 180 and buy back at 140 for the past 2 months. Yeah, if you're able to predict these movements, these swing trades, I think that's what you're doing. I think that's brilliant. DoorDash and Rite Aid announced partnership for on-demand delivery of health and wellness essentials. Rite Aid has a stock, right? I think it's rad. There we go. Yeah, Rite Aid. 1739, 1738 dash 121. I think DoorDash has earnings. Yep. on Thursday after the market closes. One of those recently IPO'd companies. DoorDash. I don't like DoorDash, man. I talked about this. I think it's horrible. It's like I think last time I tried to order something, it was like $7, and the delivery was like more than the food itself. I'm like, how does this make sense? How? And it's like it doesn't make sense to me, you know. And I think as businesses open up, people are not gonna wanna DoorDash stuff. It's like you're stuck being at home, man. Yeah, I agree, Danmer. It's easy to day trade when there's such strong tendency. Those days are over for now. For now, yeah, I agree. Alrighty, we're looking a bit toppy here. EMA on the fives at 608. That 610 pullback is inevitable. There we go, pulling back. How aggressive is that pullback though? How about Neo? Did Neo continue on rallying? Neo topped at 35. All right, another pullback. Stocks are now experiencing a pullback. GameStop 143. I like that. They overcharge. Man, you should see the fees on there. It'll be like the tax, the service fee, a small order fee. So if your order is not above a certain minimum, you get charged like $3. It's ridiculous. And you got a tip too. All that adds up. And you end up paying double of what your food is worth. Oh man. But never underestimate the laziness of people. I'm gonna admit, never underestimate the laziness of people. Yeah, right? The smaller you order, the more expensive it is. It's nuts. It is. There's that pullback. So we have enough cushion to pull back to like right around here, 610. I know people who order $20 6-inch subs from trash like Subway through Uber Eats every single day. $20, that's a ton of cash. I mean, a month, you're looking at what, $600? Yeah, $600 a month just for Subway. That's ridiculous. Just invest that money a month, 600 a month. Invest that money long term, man. And then the same people say, I don't know why I'm broke. Exactly. It's all managing your money, being able to live frugally. There's a big difference between wants and needs, man. There's people out there who like just spend like crazy. It's like an addiction. It blows my mind. It blows my mind. Like all the clothes shop, like I literally all I wear is black every single day. Black shirts from H&M for like $7. That's it. You don't need no freaking designer. Promise you, the moment you put it into the washer or something like that, it's done. It's done for. You don't need to know all of this. The more stuff you have, I think the less happy you are. I think minimalism, like living like that, I think there's more happiness in that. Alrighty, we're experiencing the pullback. We have some cushion to pull back, baby. I'll let these stocks pull back, cool off slightly. What a well-earned rally from 578 pre-market all the way to the highs of 625. I don't want the high day to be 625, man. We need that bounce. Come on. Uber Eats rewards is so ridiculous. You have to spend like $2,000 to save 10% on your. Oh man. Yep. Shorts and black shirts. That's all you need. And I'm glad I stopped going to Starbucks. Just making your coffee at home, couple cents. That's all it costs. The markup is ridiculous. It's nuts. Just save that money, those couple bucks a day. Save $5 a day, 150 bucks a month. Put that aside into an index. Yes, buy the index, go long term. You'll thank yourself 20, 30 years from now. You'll look back and be like, damn, that was one of the best decisions I ever made. Do something now that your 30-year-old self will thank you for. You laugh, but go look at the Uber rewards. It's so stupid. I know, even with like the Starbucks rewards, it's pretty cringy. I have some racked up too, but no more of that. I buy $5 of Starbucks every Starbucks stock every time my chick goes. Yeah, Starbucks, Chipotle, all of that. How's Chipotle, by the way? Stonk. CMG. Oh, and yesterday, by the way. It's coming down. And for some reason, the days where I lose money in the market, it kind of hurts me to go and out and buy food. I don't know why. It hurts me. It's like I shouldn't be doing this. I have an L on the market today. I should be eating freaking, I don't know, ramen or something. Cup of noodles. Yeah, and those Starbucks, they're slick, man. If you don't use them, they expire. I have 10, I think, that expired yesterday. And if you don't use them, they take them away. It's like Webull, man. Webull can be shady. If you don't claim your free stocks, they take them away. I did not know that, and they took a ton of stocks away from me. So shady. Yeah. Beans and eggs. Now you have to spend money to save money before they expire. Yeah. There's that bounce. So it looks like we're holding 614s. The question is, lower highs or higher lows, man? Let's see. Neo. How are these other stocks doing? Holding up. Ooh, Apple had a pretty steep drop. Oh, GameStop back to 140s. How's SPY? Yeah, pretty steep pullback here on SPY. Let's pull up SPX. Dogecoin is at 50 cents. Bitcoin 55.7K. We're still holding the $54 mark, 54K mark on Bitcoin. That's pretty good news. SafeMoon still green. Ethereum 39.62. So Ethereum is still holding 37. So we kind of had that flash crash yesterday. I think that was the crypto market reacting to the stock market. So now even cryptos are holding pretty decently. Not bad, not bad. Have to run the stock up with some coffee. What stock should I randomly buy on my way out? Maybe Starbucks. SBUX is still 108. 113. They had their earnings call recently too. Not so great. I'm seeing lower highs right now. The last thing we need is a reversal on the day. Let's day trade some Starbucks while I grab coffee. I don't even think Starbucks is day tradable. I don't think there's enough momentum on there to day trade. I don't see it, man. Look, the stock is stuck at 113. It's not ticking like Tesla. That's why I love Tesla so much. The volatility is just nuts. I'll see you later in Power Hour, man. Take care. Take care. There's negative volatility on Starbucks. It's dead to me, man. It's not. That's probably the number one key for day trading. How fast are you able to get in and out? You don't want to be able to trade and get stuck and not be able to sell, especially if you're taking large orders. Like when I was trying to day trade AMC, it wasn't letting me sell. It wasn't filling my orders. I was kind of scared. For those coffee people out there, what coffee do you guys go for? Preferred? Pulling back 615. Not good. We still have cushion. EMA's at 609. 610 I think is where it's coming down to. Right around here, let's see. Oh, damn, they're really bagging on Kathy on Twitter. Cheap coffee Darth. All right, there's that pullback. 610 is where we're kind of expecting that bounce. The 5 EMA, not necessarily the sexiest looking charts, but we'll see. What's going on, Ragnar? What's going on with the markets? We are pulling back. Well, actually, we pulled back this morning. There was fear, there was blood, and now we're bouncing, so not bad. Yeah, where is Robert this morning? I think he's probably busy. He was here at 3 in the morning. He messaged me. I think he said the VIX is up. That's immediately when I knew stocks were dumping. That's the first thing I saw. Hey, yo, the VIX is up so percent. I'm like, oh, another leg down, or is this the bounce? 611. Here we go. All part of the process. Time to do some backflips, man. That's what the market needs right now. We need a flip. Come on. It's we're trying to bounce here, but we're not seeing the strength. 610, 76. No, Apple just went full on bonkers. I don't like that pattern there. Alibaba's another one trying to bounce. Neo, same thing. Is it bouncing off the five? So close to the 5 minutes. I like that. I like that. Or Keith, what's going on, buddy? Any new songs out? There's that NASDAQ bounce. So close to 410, 610, I think is where we're bouncing. All based off of technicals. Twitter. Oh, okay, let me check. I don't see any messages on here. Ethereum 3960. Doge is still at 50 cents. We're kind of stuck there. What's going on, Adam? Hello, MG. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Got an Ethereum and Dogecoin, 350 each. There we go. Buying them discounts, buying them dips, because boy, are they here, even in the markets, man. Sucks. We have discounts all over. So, like I said, if we do see another push up, I think it might just be a break even. I do not know. We're seeing lower highs now, which is not necessarily the best sign. We need to shoot up to 620. We bounced off of 610 like we expected. We just need to shoot up now. Come on. I don't think she's going back up today again. From what it looks like now, no. It needs to start hinting of an upward momentum. I don't see it. It needs 618, 620 now. That's what we need, man. We need a 618, 620 push ASAP. I don't want to retest 610. And the NASDAQ is pulling back. Yep, it looks like we're going to crack 610, 610, guys. It's not good. You said lower highs. Yep, that's exactly what I'm seeing. 625 lower high, 619 lower high, 615 lower high, 610, which is right around the 5 EMA. Looks like we're coming back down to test that one more time. Let's wait and see. We'll go live for a couple more minutes. It's holding. Let's take like a spy really quick. Oh, I don't want to see that, man. I don't want to see 600 test again. There we go. There we go. A bounce off 610 again. Let's effing go, baby. I need to clean up my freaking channel. Like all my live streams, like make my like you know how I leave them up. It looks very sloppy. All you see is the ape with the rocket. I think I'm gonna hide all of the live streams just so it could look cleaner because it's all over the place. And we have the Elon Musk Saturday night live stream, which got blocked by YouTube. Damn you, YouTube. Yeah, we're not looking good. We're not looking good, guys. We're gonna drop. Here we go. We're about to drop. Futures are still dumping. Tesla. What a weak pattern. If we do crack 610, 6.9, or possibly, like you said, I think we're gonna see 600 again if we do crack 6.9. There's that crack. Let's remove this really quick. We needed that push. Desperately 620s. We did not see that. SPY, my alert went off. Did SPY just tank or sell off? Let's see. Yep, SPY had an ugly sell off. The sell off continues. The sell off intensifies. Are we gonna hold? Apple, Facebook pulling back. Six doses of one shot. Oof. Why six? Hungary to cut tax on cryptocurrency earnings by 50% from 2022. Guess where I'm moving. Where's everyone saying they're selling their house to buy Tesla? Hey, we're already in Tesla. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Hey Rob, how about putting yourself in the astronaut suit with the cup of coffee in your hand on the thumbnail? I do have some. I just need to edit them. I just need to edit them. But the thing I'm talking about is just like hiding the lives after, putting them on private, because the channel looks all over the place. All you see is the same thumbnail. I don't think it looks clean. So the sell-off continues. I can't watch this anymore. I cannot watch this anymore. On the day we're down 742 bucks. We have some WPF, some Twitter, some CCIV, some game song, and it's still pulling back 605. Yeah, we're coming down. Let's see. Should we day trade this bad boy? I don't know. Usually I go for really oversold on the five. We're not that oversold here. Yeah, Nasdaq is now looking strong. What a crappy weekend. It's barely Tuesday, man. Holy moly. That's such an ugly drop. The VIX is probably rallying again. Whoo! New high. Oh my God. I just need to go work out or something. Forget about this. Close the portfolio. Come back power hour. See if we're under six again. Because from the looks of it, we're still dropping. Boeing dumping. Sub 224, 225. Charlie is the man. And I think I do favor Charlie Munger more than Warren Buffett. Oh, oh, damn. So this was literally a sympathy bounce, guys. Blood everywhere. That's one big ass jug of water. It's a gallon. Try to finish it. A gallon a day. So that's why I'm at the restaurant every 5 minutes. Mm. Oh, Nasdaq continues to sell off. Give me that bounce, baby. Go red, go red. There's that drop. Come on down, baby. Buy 10 more shares if it drops for the day trade swing. What's going on, Eve? Greetings, greetings. Hydrate or die. There we go. Oh, Warren Buffett paper handed like 4% of their Apple. They have around 1 billion shares nearly of Apple. And they asked the question like why did he sell if his motto is literally buy when there's blood on the streets and there's fear. He even was spooked. I dumped the ARC. If the house about me, I'd probably save myself a good chunk of money. Yeah, we're not. This Nasdaq's pulling back still. Oh man. We want volatility. It is here. It is here. So all right, here we go. We're pulling back still. 600. So I did say earlier if Tesla closes above 600, I think it's a dub. I think 600 is a dub if we close above 6. Let's see. How's the crypto doing? Bitcoin 55.6K. Shiba is now green. ADA is green. Doge is above 50 slightly green. AMC 21.7 million, GameStop 2 million volume. How's AMC? It's not holding 10, man. Blood everywhere, literally. Who's buying more shares of Tesla below 600? Anybody selling everything? No, I'm gonna hold on to my 30. Bet the farm, right? Here she comes again. Oh, I'd hate to see this come down to 596. What a flop. I believe you could buy it on Bitmart. Bitmart. Are people just selling their stocks and going to crypto? No, I don't think so. I think it's the opposite. I think yesterday one of the reasons Bitcoin pulled back towards the market close to stocks is because I think they were getting some cash for stocks, these discounts. That's what I think. Oh gosh. We're kind of dangling here. 604, still holding in there. Oh man. Seriously, check out Matt Kaiser. The Orange Pill podcast, right? I want to set my alerts. There's that trend line. Do we honor that? Damn, that pressure downward is real. The worst day in 2.5 months. Wow. And we're still dropping. Holy smokes. I thought we had hit the lows on Tesla. I thought the same thing, man. This might have been a bull trap. And this just intensifies the selling, the fear. The 5 minute looks oversold to me. You got it, Ralph. Crypto is plan B when the poo-poo hits the fan in stocks. It's always just it's along there, man. I don't think it's a plan B. Plan B, I think it means like just in case, right? But I love crypto. I'm not ignoring it. VIX is still moving. And Tesla, the poop is still hitting the fan. Let's buy. Should we wait for 600? We're so close to 6. Watch these stop losses. There we go. 600. Uh, Look at that bid. 637, 47.58. 601. Don't do it. I have a feeling it'll flush under 6 as I buy. Jose, I have no idea what the hell AGTC is. You're telling me AGTC is better than Tesla? You telling me this stock that has not moved for crap at $3 is better than Tesla? You're telling me a stock that's literally near the yearly lows is better than Tesla? Pam, that's the same thing I was waiting for. I'm kind of surprised crypto is holding now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're holding near really crucial support levels. I like that. Victim of the VIX. Oh man. Oh damn, it's holding six. Even if Tesla jumps to like 608 now, it's still on the downtrend on the 1 minute. It still has these lower highs. Victims. Victims. That's funny. Yeah, we're all victims, man. What a way to start the week. You know what they say, man. Sell in May and go away, right? We're gonna end it here, guys. If you guys found this video of any value, make sure you slap that like button, subscribe if you are new. I'm gonna set my alerts just in case. Let's remove this. Let's do a 622 alerts. And if it falls under 595, I'm gonna have a heart attack because I do not want to see that alert. Um, let's set an alert on the Nasdaq. GameStop. Oh man, I can't stop the blood. All right, I'll leave you guys with Tesla above 600 at 604. I will see you guys later on during Power Hour. I'm gonna plug in the free Discord, by the way. You can find us there, free Discord. Even on the 4 hour, Tesla does not look too good. Yeah, it cracked. Tesla cracked the support level, man. The trend line it was honoring, it's cracked. It's a little spooky. But with that being said, I'll see you guys all. Have an amazing rest of your morning. Peace out.